What if every cough became a tiny smoke cloud with a secret message? Imagine you're in a quiet cafe and someone coughs. Boom, a puff of gray smoke swirls out, forming words midair. I'm sorry. Gasps ripple through the crowd as heads turn, eyes wide. Another cough across the room erupts, smoke spelling, "Help me," in eerie, wavering letters. Tension skyrockets. Strangers start coughing on purpose, smoke messages popping like cryptic fireworks. I know your secret. Meet me tonight. Hearts race as the air thickens with hidden truths. Social media explodes. Hash cough messages trending worldwide. But wait, what if the messages aren't from us? What if something or someone is speaking through us? Zoom out. The camera pans to the sky, revealing a massive